it's impossible to fully comprehend the influence he had over popular culture. Here was a puppet with a mind of his own.
You're missing that one final screw.
Well, yes. I was walking down a road, not a street, a road, as one does, when this man came up to me. Looked like a woman. But he was a man, yes. And I'm sure of that, anyway. I'm getting off the point here. Anyway. Little did I know he had a bar with him, like a bar you hit someone with. And, well, he hit me. The scars healed a bit later on. The black eye went, the patch came off, and I'm fine now. But, yes, it was painful. Very, very painful.
He had everything. Fast cars, loads of money, beautiful women. And he threw it all away.
Suffice to say, he was arrested. Let off later, when it was found I had apparently provoked him. I mean, really, me provoke violence in somebody? I did, say he looked like a woman, of course, but, he did.
I know that I'm having just a year.